Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. I'm Mr. Harrison Magari, your trusted car dealer in Mombasa. And guess what we have today? We have the bigger brother to Mazda CX-5. If you want something bigger than Mazda CX-5, something which will give you more comfort, something which will give you more space, Mazda CX-8 is the way to go. This is how it looks like. Exactly like the Mazda CX-5, just that this one is more extended. And on this specific unit, you get more features which I'll show you in a few. Mazda CX-5 is a 7-seater, which comes with a very premium interior. For this particular unit, it comes with a full leather interior, full spec, meaning it comes with the leather seats, heated seats, memory seats, electric adjustments, and all those amazing features. So let's start with what the cabin has to offer. Let's start with these beautiful electric adjusted seats. You can adjust your seats just by a press of a button. You can move it forward. You can lean the seats. And one amazing feature I love about this vehicle is that so this is not a standard feature. You will get some which are not fully loaded, but this one is fully loaded spec. About the pricing range from 3.8 million all the way to 4 million. For the non which are not fully loaded, you get them with 3.8, but this one for 4 million negotiable, you get yourself this specific unit. This is how the interior looks like. Premium interior comes mostly, for this one it is leather. It comes with electric parking brake, CV automatic transmission, 2000cc turbo. So those are some of the amazing features you get on Mazda CX-8. The mileage on this one is 79 kilometers, and it comes with features like cruise control, iStop, lane assist, departure assist, 360 view camera, heated steering wheel, and all those amazing features. It also comes with electric tailgate. So this is what you find if you get when you get the Mazda CX-8. It is really amazing car. If you have a family of more than 5 people, then Mazda CX-5 won't be a good car for you. Things like Toyota Harrier would be a good thing for you. Then you will have just to set off for the Mazda CX-8. It has been in the Kenyan for quite a longer time, but now it's becoming more popular. A lot of people are liking this specific car. It comes with both front and passenger seats, are both heated. Still on the rear, you get very good spacing, very good headroom, legroom, everything you get courtesy of Mazda CX-8. It comes with dual climate controls. The passenger can control the AC. They can set the seat they prefer. It also comes with heated seats both front and back. So those are some of the amazing features you get on the Mazda CX-8. It comes with those cup holders right there. Also, it comes with charging ports right there. You can charge your phones right there. And close. You can close, and that's how it looks like. Mazda CX-8. It is 7-seater, which is very spacious. Actually, 8-seater, 7-seater, so it can accommodate all those. That's how the rear looks like. It has very two comfortable seats with charging ports. It has cup holders and all those amazing features. So if you are looking for these units, this is how it looks like. This is how the rear looks like. Electric tailgates and all those amazing features. This is how it looks from the boot space. You can fold the third row of seats if you want to create more room. If in case you are carrying less people, you have more luggage, you can fold the third row of seats. If you want this car right now, the price is 4 million. If you have a deposit of 2 million, you can clear the balance in 2 years. Kindly reach me on 07418373. Remember, you can buy this car on cash, hire purchase, asset financing by your bank, and among other options. Still, there is option for trading. So if you are interested in this unit, kindly my number is on the screen. Reach me for more business. Electric tailgate is right there for your convenience. Thank you for watching, and if it is your first time to this channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. Thank you.